really just trying to get all up in my roots, bro.
You don't know that. How much you don't know it. I can tell you how much you don't know it.
These are the locks, you guys. These are the locks, you guys.
What is up, you guys? Man, it's your boy King. Just got back from the gym. Today we're gonna be washing my dreads for the first time in 5 years. Body towel, you know what I'm saying? I get that long one, that blanket, that towel blanket. What do you call it? Like a damn towel blanket or something. You know what I'm saying? This could be a whole new video. Alright, you guys, man. So first I got the Tingle shampoo. Tingle shampoo right here. You guys probably can't read it, but it's called Tingle shampoo. It's by Jamaican Mango and Lime. First, you know what I'm saying, get the shirt off. You know, tight spill. Just left the gym looking kind of hard, you know what I'm saying? Looking a little real, a little piece. You know what I'm saying? A little piece. I got that bit too wide for real. Alright. This is about to start getting foggy. I ain't gonna lie. The camera might start getting foggy for real. You know what I'm saying? Take off all your electronics. Woo, that bit's starting to get foggy. But yeah, nah. These are the locks, man. These are the locks, you guys. These are the locks, you guys. These are the locks, you guys. I'm about to get a retwist today too. Bring y'all along for that if y'all want to. But these are the locks, you guys, man. There's some thinning in there. I'm gonna have to let her know if she don't go too crazy. But I'm about to get a retwist today. But I retwist for the first time in 30 years or some shit. I don't know. All right, I need a thumbnail. How look? I'm getting what's the names and all that. If you a real one, then you know when you get out the shower. I mean, well, before you get in the shower, you know you got to take a doo-doo. So we about to do that, yeah, and get back. You know what I'm saying? Got to poo-poo. Hey, what it do, gang? Man, we out here. I was gonna wash my hair in the shower, but I was like, I noticed, I was like, oh, if I wash my hair in the shower, it kept fogging up. The thing kept fogging up, so I'm gonna just wash it in the sink in the front. So yeah, cause man, my sink's too small, so I'm gonna wash it in the kitchen sink. We're gonna see how that go. So trying to do it in my sink's not gonna work, and then trying to do it in my bathroom not gonna work, cause that dude was creating so much heat. Like, I don't know, like, you know what I'm saying? It was creating hella like heat, and I know I gotta like be hot so I can get a lot of this like debris and buildup out of my hair, so I can't like do my normal cold shower. Like, down in the comments, y'all like hot or cold showers, bro? What do y'all like? Cause me personally, I'm gonna take me a cold shower. I'm just saying, niggas be scared. Cold showers make you uncomfortable, and if you're comfortable with being uncomfortable, then you're higher than a lot of people in your demographic. To be real, I feel like I gotta leave my shirt off to wash my hair. So what they talking about that dread cap for? We don't need no goddamn dread cap. What's the freak? I'm sorry. I'm getting in love with my body. All right.
Ooh, what a hot! Golly! It be hot!
I gotta get up in there. Oh no, I gotta get up in there. I gotta get up in my scalp for real. Like, I gotta get in my scalp for real. Like in my scalp. I need to make sure I gotta get my phone out. Is she being? I want to get it out of a different angle, but shit. Moving this is about to be crazy trying to get out of a different angle, man.
I'm really just trying to get all up in my roots, bro. It's really the new girls that I'm trying to get to. I got some skinny ass dreads. I'm feeling something. I'm like, damn. Like this is a small dread. I got some skinny dreads, bro. Jeez Louise, man.
Goodness gracious. I thought that bit too hot. That bit on God, leave that bit hot. Woo! That bit dumb hot. Yee. But when I say hot, I feel like it's an understatement. Like that bit blazing.
Oh no, you just in there bit of.
I don't know. I could do this. Oh man, I could do this thumbnail multiple ways. I could be like, this is me right now, you guys. This is gonna be the before the retwist, man. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got low-key major buildup. I don't know if it can show, but low-key got major buildup. Yeah, bro. Like it's black, it's right here, it's like white. Like when you wash it, it really comes out. Like, do you see how much, like, I don't know if y'all could really see this for real, like the amount of new growth that I have. Where is it at? This one? The amount of new growth? Bro, it's like my whole thumb. It's right, like from here to there, it's like a whole thumb's worth of just new growth that just needs to just get wrapped on up. And yeah. But yeah, I'm trying to finish drying my hair a little bit more so that way it's like easier for her to do it. Just want to make her job as easy as possible. Just crazy, man. Oh man, this is crazy. But this is my first time getting a retwist for everybody like who doesn't know. Like this is like, it's not like not on no clickbait junk. This is actually my first time getting a retwist. Like by someone else. Like I always get retwist. I always retwist myself, my own hair. This is my first time allowing someone else to touch my hair. This is a bit different for the kid, so I'm really nervous actually. I don't know whether it shows or not, but I'm actually really nervous because I don't like people touching my hair. Cause like my problem is I like my hair a certain way, and certain people can't do certain things, and I feel like I just do my hair the way that I like it, and then I feel like, oh, if I don't like my hair, not necessarily if I don't like my hair, but if I mess up my hair, I'm okay with me messing up my hair. But if someone else messes up my hair, then I'm gonna have a fit. I got some skinny ones in here, man. I got that crochet hook. I'm gonna go stupid with that bit. A lot, bro. I really hope I don't get dubbed like by UUSMF, bro. I need to get wheels for this damn. I'm gonna look for some wheels for this bit. This road is right through the door, cause this carrying. Y'all see me struggling trying to carry y'all. Jeez Louise, y'all some heavy niggas. For real. So I had to give me a professional light. But yeah, man. Now it's time to get draped up. I don't know if she want my hair like low-key wet or not, but I need to. In case she's twisting, because when you're twisting really hard, if you twist too hard, the hair obviously, like I feel like we all know the hair could fall out. So my hair could really fall out. Oh, it gets caught in my hair. It gets caught in my shirt. Being with y'all, bro, I hate tying my hair up. Like, I feel like when you physically tie your hair up, you're tearing it and you're hurting it. Like, you should not tie your hair up. I hate tying my hair up. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, I know, bro. I'm bringing my little side satchel. Little drip, drip. Little drip, drip, man. Little dripper drown. I want to wash it more, but like I'm insecure about my thinness. Like, some of them I think are gonna like, I think them is gonna fall out, and I don't want them to fall out, bro. That's really why I don't wash my hair like that. One of my favorite dreads right here, the little long boy. That boy long. That boy just they used to be. My dreads were way longer, but I snipped them like a month, like 2 months ago. I went to snipping these boys, man. But yeah, I'm gonna get back at you guys when you need calls, and then we're gonna go ahead and head over there so we can get a retwist. And that's gonna be next video. Next video is gonna be me getting a retwist after 5 years. LOL. But I love you guys, man. It's a whole lot of gas. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get it.
Yeah, you don't know me. Talk about you don't know me. I can tell you why, but you don't know me. I can tell you why, but you don't know me. Out of your mind.